Turn it up. Where are my headphones?
I'm finna tell you what I'm all about. Your time's running out, so don't make me spell it out. You fuck with reading, that's a doubt. I pull up in your town and blast your teeth straight up out your mouth with a magnum. My style stay platinum. Skills you lack 'em, hoes no, go ask one. Colder than a sicko, got ladies rubbing their nipples, pretty simple. Fuck around and get crippled, cause first things first, bitch, I'm the boss. Chew you like floss, leave your face without a bottom jaw. Let the game die, bitch, I'll kill it if I have to. And if they ask who, they better not ask you. Cause you don't wanna fuck with a pimp. Got a dick like a blimp, so I walk with a limp. I'm here to show you folks that I'm the realest it can get. I bet my style so smooth and make your mama coochie wet. And when it's all gone,
what you believe in?
Sick of always hearing it.
What you believe in?
Motherfuckers think I'm losing it.
What you believe in?
But I don't give a fuck, knuckle up, buttercup. Like when it's all gone.
What you believe in?
Sick of always hearing it.
What you believe in?
I'm hung up and I'm stuck.
What you believe in?
But I don't give a fuck, knuckle up, buttercup. Like 1, 2, 3, 4 to the 5. Suicide ain't work, I'm still alive. 6, 7, 8, and the 9mm. 10 shots, make it hot like a heater. Don't trust much, but I does fools with a slim uppercut. Taking off the mask, moving up. My shit suck less than a hoe with a fat chest. Bitch look sick, so I took her to the vet. Bet, my rhymes just be wicked like that. Throwing up the set with the fully automatic. I got the rhythm with the most C's, ho please. And now they're kneeling down on both knees. Break your bitch like bread, coast to coast. Bodies be dead when I boast. My shit gross. The host with the most burn you like queso. You got a problem, just say so. And when it's all gone,
what you believe in?
Sick of always hearing it.
What you believe in?
Motherfuckers think I'm losing it.
What you believe in?
But I don't give a fuck, knuckle up, buttercup. Like when it's all gone.
What you believe in?
Sick of always hearing it.
What you believe in?
I'm hung up and I'm stuck.
What you believe in?
But I don't give a fuck, knuckle up, buttercup. Like if you
outside getting drunk with my folks. And if you ain't about it, you can leave me alone. Money to the ceiling, I just bought a spaceship. You fucking with the homies, get yourself a facelift. Man, I can't quit, I just can't be stopped. And these women that you brought, I think they like me a lot. So let me get that chain and everything that you got, then you can find your way home. Cause man, you blowing up my spot. Best check your tone, unless you wanna be a stack of bones. Tune them good, waking up in the catacombs. And I ain't lose a second of sleep. Matter of fact, I hit the stool and got to wrecking his heat. Damn, I'm just living my life how you would wanna. I'm looking fresh downtown with your baby mama. This dude's crack, yeah, this boy is a nut. Come grab a line and get your coat, cause I'm trying to cut, But if you wanna go, come and do it. Don't even try to front, I'ma lose it. I'm just trying to cut and stack O's, play a show, do some cocaine with hella hoes. And if you really want it, bitch, let me know. We still outside and it's getting cold. I'm fucked up in a Range Rover. I'm fucked up in a Range Rover. I'm in a plaid 22s going too fast. Triple digits lighting up on the Digi-Dash. Them piggies flash, I drive right past. Cause they ain't seeing shit through my tinted glass. I make a splash and they get so mad, it's kinda sad. I'm just trying to get my cash and keep my bags packed. Head to the crab shack. Don't pass me none of that, cause I ain't gonna pass it back. Me and you, we cool, I don't know what you thought. I'm sliding in just to thicken the plot. International, I'm talking 20-hour flights, that's the real deal. And you know I'm looking damn tight. It's getting deep and colder than my shoulder. They call me Zen cause they see me taking over. The supernova, I'm like a 4-leaf clover. Man, I'm gone, fucked up in a Range Rover. But if you wanna go, come and do it. Don't even try to front, I'ma lose it. I'm just trying to cut and stack O's, play a show, do some cocaine with hella hoes. And if you really want it, bitch, let me know. We still outside and it's getting cold. I'm fucked up in a Range Rover. I'm fucked up in a Range Rover.